Hello everyone and welcome you all yet again with another video to help you with your German driving license exam. This video is part of the series of videos where I shall cover all the major mistakes and the minor mistakes that you should avoid during your exam. To begin with, let's understand what is major mistakes and minor mistakes. So major mistakes are errors that are considered to be non-negotiable. And if you commit these mistakes while driving, your examination will come to an end that right moment. These are those errors which cause direct threat to the traffic on the road, and you will not be allowed to continue driving further. On the other hand, minor mistakes are not immediate disqualifiers. You will be still allowed to drive, but your behavior on the road will be observed if you're committing those mistakes again and again. For example, speed limit scenarios. If it's 50 speed limit, for example, and if you're driving like slightly above that and then you correct it, these could be considered as minor errors. But please note that these are purely subjective and depends on the examiner's mindset as well. But in the interest of exam, let's try to avoid all the major mistakes for sure, and also try to avoid minor mistakes to ensure that you pass your exam. So in this series of videos, I will cover both minor and the major mistakes. So I will present this as series of videos to make it more manageable in terms of information per video. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe.